Hey there, this is Dan from AMS, and today we'll speak on the topic of how to test your application properly. Smartphones are a necessity in modern society. From social media to the workplace, everything is available on mobile apps. This explains why the mobile app development domain is growing at a momentous pace. When we talk about mobile apps, testing is one of the key requisites of the development process. In simple terms, testing involves a review of the app's functionality, speed, consistency, and user experience. Launching an app without testing it properly is sure to have some ramifications. On the other hand, testing your app before launch gives you the scope for optimization. This is a comprehensive strategy for testing your mobile app. First of all, you should choose the test devices. You can place an app on many devices, such as smartphones, smartwatches, tablets, etc. Proper market research will help you select the devices that widely use your app. The choice of devices also depends on the popularity as well as marketing requirements. Selecting a bunch of devices will help you finalize the sample size for the testing operation. Emulators are another point to consider. Moving forward, emulators come handy in the development and testing process. It allows you to check your app's functionality in a completely different environment. There are many different types of emulators available in the market. These include device emulator, browser emulator, and operating system emulator. Pick the one that is best suited for your app's target audience. The endless question: automation versus manual testing. Another important decision involved in the app testing process is the choice of automatic or manual testing. Developers prefer manual testing for apps with some new functionalities. Additionally, manual testing is appropriate for apps in the initial stages that require testing more than once. On the other hand, automation testing works well with regression test cases. Complex scenarios should also undergo automation testing since a manual operation will prove less efficient. As a conclusion point, for an effective testing operation, take note of the following test cases: the amount of battery the app consumes in its entire runtime, the app speed on different devices, networks, and memory types, the volume of data and memory it requires for the download, installation, and running, the issues with functionality such as crashes or other. In the end, it is important to choose your testers diligently. Not all testers bring the same level of dedication and expertise to the testing process. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to shoot me a message if you have any questions or an app concept on your mind. See you in the next one.